Hi everyone, welcome to my IFCC character design course. My name is Jude Smith and I will be your instructor. I've been working in the gaming industry for a little over 4 years on projects like Transformers Forged to Fight, Marvel Contest of Champions, and Marvel Realm of Champions. In this course, I will be sharing my creative process to help you create unique and intriguing characters. We will cover a variety of subjects, starting with design theory, where we will touch up on fundamental topics such as composition, storytelling, and basic drawing techniques, comparing how they relate to your work and help reinforce your ideas. Once we brush up on the art fundamentals, we will start using Photoshop to explore ideas through iteration sketches. We will then begin to refine our line art, focusing on the imperative and inessential details of the character, narrowing them down to a final design. From there, we will transition to the final stage of the course, where I will walk you through the entirety of my rendering process to a neatly polished concept. Whether you are an aspiring artist or an artist with experience just looking to refine your skills, the content in this course will help you advance your own unique and creative voice.